Hey YouTube, what's happening? Chris here. Want to bring you all an update on Ripple XRP. And what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be looking at coincheckup.com. This is a great site, guys. If you have not been on this before, really check it out. You can go through all the different coins, and basically what they do, they take all the statistics and the things that are going on with the businesses, and they blend them together, and we get an algo score, and it'll show you basically how the coin's doing that you're looking at. So this is something that's really important, and you want to pay attention to it because you want to keep an eye on the projects you're invested in. Okay, so we're going to dig into this. If you guys like Ripple, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want me to continue to cover it. Let me know down below, and we'll dig into this, guys. And also, I forgot to tell you, also, if you're trying to learn trading a little bit more, go into my playlist. I probably have 40 free videos there talking about trend lines and candlesticks, Fibonacci, all different types of stuff. So really go in there and educate yourself, guys. It's something that can really help you out. It's all free in there, so give it a look, check it out. Alright, so with Ripple here, we're at 44 cents right now. Our overall market cap is at 18 billion, so that's a lot of money in Ripple, guys. That's doing really well. It's number 3 overall in market cap. The circulating supply is 42.5 billion, so that is a lot, guys. That's the only thing, that is a little bit troublesome in some coins. I don't like a huge max supply, but if you're just going off percentages, it really doesn't matter that much. So it's just one of those things. I typically like a smaller set, like Litecoin, how there's only 84 million, or Bitcoin 21 million. That's more so what I prefer, but this is a great coin to trade because the volatility is just crazy on it. So it's one you definitely want to keep your eye on. And what I want to point out to you guys, our algo score is at 4.1 out of 5, so that's number 31 in terms of the algo scores where we're rated. So that's a nice clean score, doing well there. But what's so important is, do you see this chart? Once we started to make those higher highs and higher lows, you can see we made it all the way up to $3 here. That was the all-time high. Then we started to have these lower highs and lower lows, but now what you're seeing down here, we're starting to get those higher lows back. And you can see basically how the graph is just starting slowly to go up again, guys. And what we're looking at is another market cycle starting. Just like there's a market cycle over here, and then we shook this all the way out through the bear market. We're at the bottom of a new market cycle. So this is the time, if you're really interested in XRP and Ripple, you're looking at it 44 cents. It was once over $3. I'm not your financial advisor, but if it's something that you do want to hold for the long term, look where you would be getting it in comparison to where the price has been before. I mean, even with these reactions here, guys, we are up around 85 cents to $1, and we're sitting at about 44 cents right now. So it's definitely something that you do want to keep your eye on for Ripple, because when it runs really hard. Take a look at this, guys. We are at 24 cents, and it went all the way to $3 in basically a month. So the next market cycle, it definitely could take us to $8, $9, $10 or more. So it's something that you do want to keep your eye on and pay close attention to. Next thing I wanted to show you is just the layout. Here you have events, you have forums, related resources. You can get all the news about XRP, the purpose of it, the markets, predictions, long-term predictions, people like that. So you can go into there and take a look at this, analysis, charts. So there's so much stuff that you can really get into and study on, and that's what you want to do, guys. So what I'm seeing next here for our algo scores, what you're seeing is open channels is 100%, team strength is 71%, product strength is 84%. So these are all pretty good here, guys. 83% coin strength, business strength is at 60, and brand awareness is at 100. And right now you can see the indicators here. We're at a 14 buy, 1 sell, 11 neutral. So we really want to keep our eye on that indicator as well, because that's doing really well in terms of the moving averages. We're finally back up above that 200-day moving average with XRP, guys, and that's something that is good. So I want to put that on your radar. And then also, if you want to view all the performance stats, you can go into this. Let me get a quick sip of water here, guys. 1 second. So you can look at how long has XRP been trading, and it says it's been trading for 74 months, 6 years now. How volatile has XRP been over the last 30 days? I mean, all this stuff, guys. What's XRP's growth rate over the last 3, 6, and 12 months? So there's just really good information that you can really delve into here and study on, and that's what I want to do with these projects. Whatever project you're in, you really want to keep an eye on it. Go into the news here, and let's see if there's any news. Digital currency economy surpasses 300 billion, guys. Isn't that awesome? So that's something we're looking at. Top 3 altcoins: Ethereum, XRP, and Litecoin. Technical analysis there. You can take a look at that, see what those people have to say. Ripple goes into defense mode amid Facebook's Libra announcement. So that's something that we want to keep an eye on. But these are the things that I'm looking at. I'm paying close attention as well to the BTC dominance. We're really high right now at 57.96. So typically when alt season will start, guys, or we really start to get some motion out of the altcoins, you'll see that Bitcoin dominance come down a little bit and more money will get put into that. So that's definitely something that you want to keep your eye on. And our overall global market cap is back up to 303 billion. So guys, we're making some progress here. We're in an intermediate term bullish uptrend for Bitcoin, which is a really good thing, and it's something that you do want to pay attention to. And now what you're seeing are traders buying those dips, and that's exactly what you want, because when you get in a short term, intermediate term, or longer term bullish uptrend, it's all about those higher highs and higher lows. That's what you want to pay attention to. And then when you're in that bear market, it's the lower highs and lower lows. And if you guys really don't know what that's all about, do some studying on it, because it'll really help you. What you want to do in these markets is identify the trends or the trend changes as soon as possible. That's what people are paid the big money for, is to find these trends and basically chase them down. And then when they see them starting to turn or change, that's when they get out. And like I was talking to you all about the major flooding that's around us, we were looking at these rivers and the power of these rivers, how they were taking down trees and everything. And that's how it is in the market. Once you get into these long-term bull or bear markets, the river is so strong that you don't want to try to swim against it. You want to play with the current. Okay, the trend is your friend. Always remember that. But these moving averages and these trends are just like those rivers. Some of them are not as strong. They're smaller. Some are intermediate. And then you have these big, large rivers that can really get moving. And that's how the trends are in this market, guys. And that's what we have to watch. We want to be trend chasers. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to learn about. That's what I've been digging into, trying to chase these different trends, even on like the 4-hour chart in some instances. But that's what I'm trying to do, guys. Trying to bring as many people along as I can. So if you like these videos, you like me covering XRP, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It's a blessing to be here with y'all. And go ahead in there and check out that playlist, because I really want people to learn this stuff for themselves as well. It's great where you can click on, someone's video for YouTube and listen to what they're saying, but you really want to do this stuff on your own as well. It's very, very important to do. So God bless each and every one of you. Appreciate you being here with me today. And just, continue to work hard, continue to do the best you can. Thank you, guys. God bless.